Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning English. My name is Arun, and guys, you know very well that we have started a new series in which we will learn how to make the sentences on all tenses. So if you did not watch the previous video, so check out the link. There is a playlist where you can watch all the previous videos which is related to this series. So guys, this is our 8th day of session. So in this session, we will learn how to make sentences on past perfect continuous tense. So guys, how we will find out that this is the sentence of past perfect continuous tense? So there are some words in which you will find out that this is the past perfect continuous tense. So in this sentence, at the end of the sentence, you will find out these words raha tha, rahi thi, rahe the plus time duration. So now we have understood that how we will find out that this is the past perfect continuous tense. So guys, in this tense, we will use had been as a helping verb. And in the main verb, we will use fourth form of the verb. Means first form of the verb plus ing. So this is fourth form of the verb. So guys, we will start interrogative first type sentences. Firstly, we will check out that what is the formula of this interrogative first type sentences. So here is the formula, that had plus subject and not, been, verb की fourth form, object, since or for, and time duration and question mark. So here is the formula. By the help of this formula, we will make the sentences on past perfect continuous tense. The sentence is written here like क्या तुम सुबह से गाना गा रहे थे? How we will make this sentence into English? So guys, with the help of this formula, we will make this sentence. How? Let's come. Firstly, we will use had, and then the subject means you, and then not is not here, so we will not use not. So then been, and what is the main verb? Sing, and the fourth form of the main verb, singing. So singing what? Song. So here is the song. So in since morning, why we will use since with morning? Because this is the definite time. We all know that when morning happens. So the definite time we will use since, and indefinite time we will use for. So how we made this sentence? Had you been singing song since morning? The another example is there. क्या वे सन 1980 से स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ रहे थे? So guys, how we will convert into English? Let's check. First we will use had, and the subject is they, and after that we will use not, and then been, and what is the main verb? Study. Padna, study. So fourth form of the main verb, studying. So studying where? In this school. इस स्कूल में, in this school, and कब से? Since 1980. So 1980 is the definite time, we all know. So we will use since. So how we made this sentence? Had they not been studying in this school since 1980? Guys, another example is there. क्या मेहमान 2 घंटे से नाश्ता कर रहे थे? So how we will make this sentence into English? First of all, we will use had, and then the subject. What is the subject? Guest. So the guests. After that, been, and taking breakfast. It means नाश्ता करना. Taking breakfast, and for 2 hours. So guys, here is the time duration where indefinite time is there. We don't know which 2 hours. 12 to 2 to 4. So we don't know the definite time. So we will use for with the time duration. So how we made this sentence? Had the guest been taking breakfast for 2 hours? So guys, now we learned how we convert interrogative first type sentence into English. So if someone asks you that had they not been studying in this school since 1980, so there are two ways where you can answer, like the affirmative and the negative. So how we will make the affirmative sentence? Let's come. So guys, first of all we will check out that what is the formula we will use in this sentence. So formula is first subject, then had, then been, then fourth form of the verb, object, since and for, and the time duration. So this is the formula we will use to make these sentences. Sentence is written here. मैं 2 घंटे से खाना खा रहा था. So how we will convert into English? The subject I, then had, then been. What is the main verb? Eat. So fourth form of the verb is eating. Eating and what? Food for 2 hours. So guys, we will use here for 2 hours. Means this is not the definite time as I told you. So how we made this sentence? I had been eating food for 2 hours. So guys, let's check out the another example. So here is written, वह सुबह से ट्रेन का इंतजार कर रहा था. So how we will make this sentence into English? Let's check. First of all we will use subject, he, and then had, been, waiting. The main verb is wait. So waiting for train since morning. So guys, in the morning we will use since. Why? Because morning is the definite time. Everyone knows when morning happens. So we will use since. So how we made this sentence? He had been waiting for train since morning. Guys, another example we will check. हम 4 दिन से आगरा जा रहे थे. हम 4 दिन से आगरा जा रहे थे. So how we will convert into English? Let's check. First of all subject, then had, then been, then main verb go. It means going, fourth form, going to where? Agra, and for 4 days. Guys, here is the indefinite time given. So with the indefinite time we will use 4 because we don't know the exact time. The timing is 4 days. Which 4 days? We don't know. So how we made this sentence? We had been going to Agra for 4 days. So guys, we have learned how we ask the questions, interrogative first type, and how we will answer in affirmative sentence. So if you deny that we do not do this thing, so how we will convert these sentences into English? Let's come. So guys, first let's check what is the formula. The formula is subject, had, not, been, fourth form of the verb, object, since and for, and time duration. So this is the formula. With the help of this formula we will make this sentence, the negative sentence. So what sentence is written here? मैं 3 घंटे से पतंग नहीं उड़ा रहा था. So the sentence is मैं 3 घंटे से पतंग नहीं उड़ा रहा था. How we will convert into English? Let's come. First subject, then had, then not, then been, then what is the main verb? Fly. And the fourth form of the fly is flying. What? Kite. For 3 hours. 3 घंटे से, for 3 hours. So why we will use here for? Because this is the indefinite time. We don't know the exact 3 hours. So we will use for. So how we made this sentence? I had not been flying the kite for 3 hours. So guys, let's see the another example. वे दिल्ली में 4 साल से नहीं रह रहे थे. So वे दिल्ली में 4 साल से नहीं रह रहे थे. How we will make this sentence into English? Let's come. First of all, the subject, they, then had, then not, then been, the main verb. What is main verb? Living. Leave. So fourth form of the verb is living. So living in where? Delhi for 4 years. 4 years. So why we will use for 4 years? Because this is the indefinite time. So we will use for here. So how we made this sentence? They had not been living in Delhi for 4 years. So another example, let's see. मोनिका 6 बजे से अखबार नहीं पढ़ रही थी. So the मोनिका 6 बजे से अखबार नहीं पढ़ रही थी. So how we will make this sentence? Let's come. The subject is Monica and then had, not, then been. The main verb is read. So the fourth form, reading. Reading what? Newspaper since 6 o'clock. Why we will use since in 6 o'clock? Because this is the definite time. We know that 6 o'clock when happens. So here is the sentence how we made. Monica had not been reading newspaper since 6 o'clock. So guys, we all know how we will ask the questions interrogative first type, and how we will convert into affirmative sentences, and how we will say in negative. So now let's talk about the interrogative second type, where the W family words comes in between the sentences, like what, when, how, where. So how we will convert these sentences into English? Let's come. So guys, let's check the formula first. What is the formula? The W words had, subject, not. If not comes in the sentence, we will use, or otherwise we will not use. Then been, fourth form of the verb, object, since or for, plus time, and then question mark. So this is the formula we will use to make these sentences. What is the sentence is written here? तुम 2 घंटे से कौन सा काम कर रहे थे? So this is the second type question, we all know. So how we will make this sentence into English? Let's check. First of all, which work? This is the W word. So which work, then had, then subject is you, then not is not here, so we will not use. Then been, doing. What is the main verb? Do. So fourth form, doing. For 2 hours. Because this is indefinite time, we all know. So we will use for. So how we made this sentence? Which work had you been doing for 2 hours? So guys, another example, let's check. राहुल को 2 साल से कौन पढ़ा रहा था? राहुल को 2 साल से कौन पढ़ा रहा था? So how we will convert into English? Let's come. First of all, this is the W word. So who, and then had, then been, then main verb teaching. Main verb is teach. So teaching. Rahul, this is the object, for 2 years. Yes guys, this is also the indefinite time. 2 years. Which 2 years? We don't know. So we will use for here. So how we made this sentence? Who had been teaching Rahul for 2 years? So guys, another example, let's check. वह पिछले 4 दिनों से क्यों रो रही थी? वह पिछले 4 दिनों से क्यों रो रही थी? So how we will convert into English? Let's check. First of all, this is the W word, then why, then had, she, this is the subject, she, been, weeping, weep, this is the main verb. So fourth form of this, weeping, and then since last 4 days. Since last 4 days, so means last 4 days we all know. So this is the definite time. So we will use since here. So how we made this sentence? Why had she been weeping since last 4 days? So guys, we have learned that how we make these sentences, the past perfect continuous tense sentences, how we will convert into English, we have known now. So I hope that these sentences you will speak outside with the people, so you will improve your English better. So guys, If you really feel these videos are going to help you a lot, so please like this video and do not forget to subscribe my channel Learning English with AK, and please share this video to your friends so that they can also improve their English. So guys, let's meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye.